Hello dear students, in this problem we are going to discuss the concept related to total probability theorem. Total probability theorem. So here a person has undertaken construction job. Probabilities are 0.65. There will be a strike. Let us say E1 is a strike. Okay, E1 is a probability of having strike. E1 is a event of having strike. Okay, E1 is a having strike. E2 is a having not strike. No strike. Okay, no strike. No strike. So probability of having a strike is given. What is probability of having strike? E1 0.65. 0.65. What is the probability of having no strike? 0.1 minus 0.65. 1 minus 0.65. This is not given, but we can find, right? This is 65. This is 1 minus 0.65, which is 0.35, right? 0.35. So here P of E1, P of E2 is given. So what is asking here? 0.8, that construction job will be completed on time if there is no strike. So 0.32, the construction job will be completed on time if there is a strike. Determine the probability that construction job will be completed on time. So let us consider A is the event of completing the construction job. Okay, A is the event of completing construction job on time. Construction job will complete on time. Then what is the probability here given? Here given probability is, so construction of a job will be completed on time. So A with respective, the condition is given when there is no strike. Okay, there is no strike. So here he given what? 0.8, that construction job will be completed on time if there is no strike. Okay, there is no strike means E2, right? P of A by E2. This is a conditional probability is given 0.8. Next, probability of 0.32, the construction job will be completed on time if there is a strike. Okay, so A by E1, if E1 is the event of having strike, right? So completion of job will be done when a strike is there. So let us say this is E1, conditional probability, which is 0.32 is given, 0.32. So according to the total probability theorem, total probability theorem, P of A is equals to P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So this is the formula. So we have P of probability of finding finding a construction job will be on time. So here P of E1 is what? P of E1 is 0.65 into P of A by E1 is 0.32 plus P of E2 is 0.35 into P of A by E2 is 0.8. If we simplify, so 0.65 into 0.32, what is the answer? 0.208 plus 0.35 into 0.8 is 0.28. If I add up this two, then the result is 0.488. So this is the solution. So probability of construction job will be completed on time is 0.488 is the answer. So here we have second question. An urn contains 5 red, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random, its color is noted and it is returned to urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of a color drawn are put in the urn and then ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the second ball is red? So he is asking about the second ball. Now let us consider what is given data. 5 red balls, 5 black balls is given in an urn. Okay, so a ball is drawn at random and its color is noted and it is returned to urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of a color drawn are put in the urn. So let us see here. E1 is the event of drawing a red ball. E1 is the event of drawing red ball. Then probability of E1. What is the drawing of first ball is red one. Red. So 5 balls, total balls are 10 balls. So probability is 1 by 2. Let us say I drawn a red ball. So because of that reason I need to add 2 more balls, right? Withdraw the ball and 2 more balls I need to add up in this. So 5 plus 2 into R and 5 ball red ball black balls. Next, let us say E2 is the event of drawing E2 is the event of drawing a red ball. Now what is asking here? A urn contains 5 red ball, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random, its color is noted and returned to its urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of a color drawn put in the same urn. Then a ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the second ball is red? So let us say A is the event of drawing second ball is red. A is the event of drawing second ball is red. Okay, so now I am drawing probability of drawing a second ball with respective E1 conditional probability is what? So if I draw a red ball here in this, how many we have here? Red balls, total balls are, this is 7 by total balls are 12. So probability of drawing a second ball is red is 7 by 12 conditional probability. Next, let us say same case, 5 red balls, 5 black balls. Okay, let us say E2 is the event of drawing black ball. Okay, black ball. Then probability of drawing a black ball is what? Probability of drawing black ball, 5 divided by total number of balls is 10. So which is 1 by 2. Now what we have to do? We drawn 5 balls, right? We drawn black ball. So we have to return 5 plus 2 balls we have to return. Then A is the event of drawing a second ball is red. Therefore probability of drawing a second ball red when E2 is an event already occurred. Okay, what is the probability? Drawing red ball. So 5 we have red ball, total number of balls we have 12. Okay, this is A by E2 conditional probability. Now A is actually what? Event of drawing second ball is a red ball, right? According to the total probability theorem, probability of finding A formula is what? According to total probability theorem, P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So here P of E1 is what? 1 by 2. P of E1 is 1 by 2 into P of A by E1 is 7 by 12 plus P of E2 is what? P of E2 is 1 by 2 into P of A by E2 is 5 by 12. 1 by 2 take common. So 7 by 12 plus 5 by 12. If I add up this LCM 1 by 2, this is 12 by 12, right? 12 by 12. So therefore this is 1 by 2. Probability of drawing a second ball is red is 1 by 2. This is the solution. That's all. This is a solution.